Vidura College, Grade 2, Mathematics, Subtraction, up to 99. Maths is fun. Let's have fun with subtraction.
Subtraction. Subtraction is the term used to describe how we take away one or more numbers from another. Subtraction is also used to find the difference between two numbers. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. We use minus sign for subtraction sum. For example, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Let's recap on simple subtracting methods. Take away 4 out of 9. We have 9 flowers and we have to take away 4 out of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count rest of the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 flowers left. So the answer of 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Find the difference between 12 and 2. If you want to find the difference between two numbers, we can also use subtracting method. 12 minus 2. The answer is 10. So difference between 12 and 2 is 10. Subtract using the number line. We can also do subtraction using the number line. Now look at the number line given below. It has been numbered 1 to 20. We have to subtract 5 by 20. We can use the number line to subtract 5 by 20. What we need to do is we need to jump backward from 20 5 times. So let's jump 5 times backward and see whether we can find the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We stop at 15. Now let's see whether we are correct. We have 15 cars left. So the answer 20 minus 5 equals 15.
This is an image of a number line. You can also use a measuring tape as a number line too.
Subtract using the number line. 48 minus 5. So we start to jump backward from 48 and we need to jump how many times backward is 5. We need to jump backward 5 times to find the answer 48 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we stop at 43. 48 minus 5, the answer is 43.
Now let's do this sum. 36 minus 5. What is the answer? Let's use the number line to find the answer. 36 minus 5. So we have to take away 5 from 36. How many times we need to jump backward? Yes, we need to jump 5 times backward on the number line. So let's jump 5 times backward from 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we stop at 31. So the answer is 36 minus 5 is 31.
Subtract by counting backward. We also can count backward and find the answer for subtraction sums. Now let's see the first example. 66 minus 3. So we have to count backward 3 times. 66 minus 3. So 3 times we have to count backward, and we don't count 66 itself. We are counting number before 66. 65, 64 and 63. So the answer 66 minus 3 is 63. Let's move on to next sum. 99 minus 2. So we are taking away 2 from 99. Let's count backward twice and see what is the answer is. 99, 98, 97. So the answer of 99 minus 2 is 97. 35 minus 5. So we have to count 5 times backward. 35 minus 5. 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. So the answer 35 minus 5 is 30. Now let's move to the last sum. 85 minus 4. 85 minus 4. Let's count backward. 84, 83, 82, 81. So the answer is 81. 85 minus 4 equals 81. Subtracting two-digit numbers. It is important for us to know how to write a sum correctly. Look at the example given below. 36 minus 12. In 36, 6 belongs to 1's column and 3 belongs to 10's column. And then we have to subtract 12 from it. So we have to write 12 right in correct columns. 2 belongs to 1's column and 1 belongs to 10's column. So then we start to subtract line by line. 6 take away 2. Answer is 4. And then we move on to next line. 3 take away 1. The answer is 2. And 36 minus 12, the answer is 24. Let's correct our common mistakes. Now look at this following sum. 33 minus 21. Do you think the way we have written the sum is correct? Yes, it's not correct. So we need to correct ourselves. We have to write the correct number on the correct value place. Now 33 is written in the correct value places, but 21 isn't. Now let's try to correct ourselves. So 21, 1 should be under 1's column, and then 2 should be under 10's column. Now we have correct our mistakes. Now let's try to work out our sum. 3 take away 1, 2, and then we are moving to tens column. 3 take away 2 is 1. So 33 minus 21, the answer is 12. And always pay attention to the sign when you do sums. Subtract and find the answer. 28 minus 11. First we are starting from 1's column. 8 minus 1. The answer is 7. Then move into 10's column. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 28 minus 11, the answer is 17. Subtract and find the answers. 67 minus 35. Now do you remember where we start? Yes, we are starting from our right hand side, 1's column. 7 minus 5, the answer is 2. And then we are moving to 10's column, that is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, answer is 3. 67 minus 35, the answer is 32. Let's subtract and find the answers. 98 minus 50. We are starting from 1's column. 8 minus 0. The answer is 8. 9 minus 5. The answer is 4. So 98 minus 50. The answer is 48. Let's move on to next sum. 87 minus 27. Let's start from 1's column. 7 minus 7. Answer is 0. 8 minus 2. The answer is 6. So 87 minus 27, answer is 60. Subtraction. Problem solving. Tasha's mother bought 8 balloons for her. 4 balloons flew away. Now, how many balloons does Tasha have left? When you are doing word problem solving, you have to be very careful that you need to write the correct figures in front of the correct sentence. Now let's try to do it. Number of balloons Tasha's mother bought for her is 8. And number of balloons flew away is 4. And then we can find the answer by subtracting 4 by 8. And the number of balloons finally Tasha have left is 4. There are 10 butterflies on a flower and 4 of them flew away. Now how many butterflies are left on the flower? Let's try to solve this problem by using the problem solving technique. Let's first write down the correct figures in front of the correct sentence. Number of butterflies on the flower. There were 10 butterflies. Number of butterflies flew away. 4 of them flew away. And now, finally, how many butterflies left on the flower now? 10 minus 4, the answer is 6. There are 26 pencils in the pencil box, and Leon took 12 pencils out of it. Now, how many pencils are remaining in the pencil box? Let's try to figure out what is the answer. I will read the question again to you. There are 26 pencils in the pencil box, and Leon took 12 pencils out of it. Now, how many pencils are remaining in the pencil box? First, we write the correct figures in front of the correct column. Number of pencils in the pencil box. There were 26 pencils in the pencil box. Number of pencils Leon took out. He took out 12 pencils. And now let's figure out how many pencils are remaining in the pencil box. So now we know how to do subtracting into the two-digit numbers, right? So 26 minus 12. From which side we are starting? We are starting from ones column. So that is 6 and 2. So 6 minus 2, the answer is 4. And then we are moving to tens column, that is 2 minus 1, and the answer is 1. And 26 minus 12, the answer is 14. Maya and Tehan brought 23 cupcakes for a bake sale. They sold 12 cupcakes. Now, how many more cupcakes are left for them to sell? Let's try to figure out the answer. First, we need to write the correct figures in front of the correct sentence. Number of cupcakes Maya and Tehan bought for the bake sale is 23. Number of cupcakes they sold is 12. Now let's try to find the answer by subtracting 12 by 23. First, we need to subtract the ones column. 3 minus 2. The answer is 1. And 2 minus 1. The answer is 1. So 23 minus 12. The answer is 11. So number of cupcakes left to be sold is 11. Dear children, I believe that you have learned something new today. Please do more exercises at home to practice subtraction. Remember, that's maths is fun. Thank you and stay safe.